Hi, I'm Corey, and today we're going to do Get Creative at Home. So today we are going to do some chalk art. So for this, pretty much all you need is some paper, some chalk, and if you have it, some charcoal as well. And we're going to create an image similar to this, so like kind of a moon and its reflection in the water. So it's fun and abstract, and it's also a little messy, so just be prepared because we're going to be doing a lot of smudging of chalk and charcoal, so have some wipes on hand. So we're going to start. I picked out some colors and we're going to use them to create a gradient pattern on our paper. One of the things I did to like get this white border effect is if you have masking tape, place it down around your page, and then it will create like that white border when we pull it off. And also it helps hold the paper down so that while you're smudging it, it's not sliding across the table. So we're going to start putting down some colors. Okay, and then we're going to smooth it out by just rubbing our hand across it back and forth, and it will smooth it and blend the colors together a little better. Okay, so let's see, with the charcoal we're going to go and we're going to sort of lightly outline the shape of the moon, and then the shape of its reflection in the water, which is like just some squiggly lines. Okay, and then I found what helped with the charcoal. If you have like a butter knife or something, you can scrape some of the powder onto the page, because with the charcoal, like depending on how big your charcoal is, if you just go and start scribbling up there, it's gonna leave an outline, so even after you smudge it, it's not gonna be smooth like that, for example. So like you can kind of see where I like bore down to create the circle, like that part like doesn't really smooth out. So if you can, I would say take just like a butter knife and like just use it to like scrape off some of the charcoal onto your page and then smudge that. Like if you want to make it a little darker, I would say add like a little bit more. So another thing about chalk art, so like the type of paper that I'm using, this is cardstock paper. So it's like a little bit thicker than like regular paper, and it holds the chalk a little better. So I would sort of recommend, if you can get like cardstock or even construction paper. I've practiced it on construction paper, and that also holds the chalk and charcoal a little better than regular, I would say, like office paper. But yeah, if you can only, that's all you got, it still works pretty well. So, but yeah, so now we're gonna do our big reveal and pull our painter tape off. And okay, there we go. So that is our finished piece. So yeah, so if you want to try it at home and you want to share it with us, just put it at hashtag Suffolk Public Library. I would love to see what you guys come up with, because this is a lot of fun. It's also like very messy, so like I'm gonna clean my hands off. But yeah, I will see you guys around, so have a good one. Bye.